In this video, we'll explore some of the most mind-boggling experiments that could have ended the world. From nuclear weapons tests to artificial intelligence gone rogue, these experiments have pushed the limits of what we know and understand about the world around us. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed, and maybe a little bit scared. Number 1. Trinity Test. In 1945, the United States conducted the first ever nuclear weapon test in Alamogordo, New Mexico. The explosion was so massive that it could have caused widespread devastation and possibly ended the world as we know it. Who knew that a little bomb could cause such a big problem? Fun fact is, the code name for the Trinity test was Trinity because it was conducted in the desert in New Mexico, which is known as the land of enchantment. Number 2. Cuban Missile Crisis. The Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962 was a super tense moment when the United States and Soviet Union almost went to war over missiles in Cuba. A nuclear war could have easily ended the world. Can you imagine living in a world without YouTube? Scary stuff. During the Cuban Missile Crisis, the Soviet Union actually had more nuclear warheads than the United States. Number 3. Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland was designed to recreate conditions that existed just after the Big Bang. But there were concerns that the experiment could create a black hole that could swallow the Earth and end the world. Don't worry, folks, the world didn't end. We're still here, and the scientists are still experimenting. Fun fact is, the Large Hadron Collider is the largest machine in the world, with a circumference of 27 kilometers. Number 4. Soviet Biopreparat program. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union developed biological weapons under a program called Biopreparat. These weapons could have potentially caused a global pandemic that could have ended the world. Maybe it's a good thing that we have hand sanitizer and face masks. Now, fun fact, the Soviet Union created a strain of smallpox that was resistant to vaccines. And these are examples of experiments that could have ended the world. As we wrap up this video, it's important to remember that with great knowledge comes great responsibility. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through some of the most mind-boggling experiments that could have ended the world. If you found this content interesting and thought-provoking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And, as always, feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.